What's up guys, Jake from Sea Devil here, and today we're going to be giving you a step-by-step walkthrough of how to pair your standard series balloon light kit to your phone via the Sea Devil mobile app that can be found on the App Store if you have an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you are on an Android device. So what we're first going to want to do is pull out our mobile device and head to the App Store or Google Play Store if you are on an Android device and search Sea Devil. We're going to download that. Okay, now that the app is installed, we are going to want to open the app and log in or sign up. We will agree to the user agreement and privacy policy, and from there you will be given the option to log in or sign up. We already have an account, so we are going to log in, but if you do not, then you will sign up. Now that we are all logged in and signed up for the Sea Devil mobile app, we will go ahead and plug in our standard series balloon light kit. And from there, we will click Add Device on the home screen interface. From there, you can see that it has discovered our balloon light kit, so we will go ahead and click Add to this. If for some reason the app does not recognize your balloon light kit, what you can do is unplug your unit for about 10 seconds. After your balloon light kit has been unplugged for 10 seconds, go ahead and plug it back in, click Add Manually, and then hold the on-off switch on the balloon light kit for about 15 seconds. Once this is complete, you can go ahead and click Confirm the light has flashed on the mobile app, and then click Next. And then once the balloon light kit has been found, it will go ahead and pair, and you can click Done at the bottom. Now that we are all linked to our balloon light kit here, there is a bunch of different options that we have on this menu. So you can control the color temperature, so you can go from cool to warm, and then you can also control the brightness as well. So you can go from 100 to 0, and then you can even go all in between there. So 70%, 80, and so on. The last feature that we have included on this menu is the ability to control the on and off switch without actually having to click the fixture. Now that we are all logged in and signed up for the Sea Devil mobile app, let's go ahead and plug in our 100-watt RGB balloon light kit. Following plugging in our kit, we will go ahead and click Add Device on the home screen. From here, the Sea Devil app will go ahead and detect any nearby balloon light kits that are not already paired to a device. So our app has already tracked the 100-watt RGB, and we will click Add. Now from here, we'll take a few seconds. If for some reason the Sea Devil app did not auto-detect your balloon light kit, you can go ahead and click Party 100 on Add Manually. From here, you will turn off your balloon light, and you'll do a sequence of 5 on and off. So we'll go on, then off, on, then off. Now that we have entered the pairing mode, you can go ahead and click Confirm the light has flashed on the mobile app. You will click Next, and then your balloon light kit should pair to your Sea Devil app. Now that the 100-watt RGB has been added to our mobile device, we will go ahead and click Done. Now that we are connected to our RGB balloon light kit, you do have a bunch of different options to choose from. So you can choose any color you'd like in the RGB spectrum. You can control the brightness from 100 to 0 and anywhere in between. And then you also have scene selections that you can choose from. So we do have Amazon, Aurora, Rainbow Wave, and then full power general light, and so on. So feel free to look through those as you choose. Now that we are all logged in and signed up on the Sea Devil app, let's go ahead and plug in our Pro Series balloon light kit. Following our unit being plugged in, we will go ahead and add device. Now on the Add Device interface, you will see that the Sea Devil mobile app will detect any nearby balloon light kits that are not paired to a phone already. So ours has been detected, and we will go ahead and click Add. From there, it'll take anywhere from 5 to 10 seconds to pair our Pro Series balloon light kit to the Sea Devil app. Now that we are all paired, we will go ahead and click Done. If for some reason the Sea Devil mobile app does not detect your Pro Series balloon light kit, follow these next steps. We have ensured our fixture is in the off position. We can go ahead and click Add Device on the home page, and we will do 2 cycles of on and off, and then on the 3rd start, we will leave it in the on position. Now that the fixture has entered pairing mode, you can go ahead and select Pro on the Add Manually tab. You will click Confirm and then Next. From there, it'll take about 2 minutes to fully pair to your balloon light kit. Now that we are connected to our Pro Series balloon light kit, ensure that the toggle on the fixture is switched to the remote function, now enabling you to use the C-Double mobile app. Now that the remote function is turned on the fixture, you can now use your C-Double mobile app to control the brightness of your Pro Series kit, as well as turning the fixture on and off. And that is how you connect your Pro Series balloon light kit to the C-Double app. All right, guys, now that we are all logged in and signed up for the C-Double mobile app, let's go ahead and add our 400-watt balloon light kit. From the home screen, you can go ahead and click Add Device. From there, the C-Double mobile app will go ahead and detect any nearby balloon light kits that have not been added using a mobile app already. So from here, we can see that the 400-watt kit is already adding. We will click Add, and it will take about 2 minutes to fully pair. If for some reason the C-Double mobile app does not automatically detect your 400-watt RGB kit, there is a way to add it manually. So what we'll do is click Add Device, and then under the Add Manually tab, we will click Party 400. From there, we will head over to our fixture and complete the pairing process. All right, guys, now that we are at our fixture here, we are going to complete the pairing process. So what we're going to do is 2 sequences of on and off. And on the third one, we are going to leave it on. From there, it will enter a pairing phase in which it will start blinking and flashing like it is doing right now. And from there, we can go ahead and head to the app. We're gonna click Confirm and Next. And from there, it'll take anywhere from 2 minutes to a minute, and it will pair as seen here. Now that we are all linked up to our 400-watt RGB balloon light kit, there is a plethora of options to choose from as far as controlling the color of the balloon light, as well as the brightness. So from anywhere from 100 to 0 and anywhere in between, as well as a scene tab where you can choose from Amazon, Aurora, Nightlight, General Light, and so on. Heading back to that initial Party 400 screen, you do have the ability to turn the balloon light kit on and off. And that is a wrap on our walkthrough of pairing the C-Double mobile app to your 400-watt RGB balloon light kit. Stay tuned for all of our future videos and how-tos. We'll see you guys next time.